see the how to do the addition of unlike fraction. Unlike fraction means where denominators are different, and as I said, now when denominators are different, without making their denominators equal, we can't do the addition. So here two fractions are there where we have to do the addition, 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6. Okay, so here we can't do their addition because we have to make their denominator equal. So what we have to do, we have to find out the LCM of 4 and 6. Okay, let's find out. So divide both the numbers. Both are divisible by which number? 2. So 2 4s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Okay, again 2 is there, so we have to divide the number till we get the 1. Okay, so 2 1s are 2. We can't divide the 3 with the 2, so we have to 3 write as it is. Then we have to divide because 3 is there and 3 divisible by itself, so 3 1s are 3. So here we get these number. Now let's multiply them. So here LCM of 4 and 6 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So our denominator will be 12. ओके हमारा अभी जो भी डिनोमिनेटर होगा हमारा क्या होगा? 12 होगा. ओके सो मैं क्या करूंगी? 3 by 4 we have to write as it is. Now which number I will multiply with the 4? So I will get 12, that is 3. 4 3s are 12. Okay, so 4 multiplied by 3. Okay, and 3 multiplied by 3. Which number you have taken to multiply with the denominator? Same number you have to take to multiply the numerator. Okay, so 3 3s are 9 and 4 3s are 12. Okay, now let's take the another fraction, 5 by 6. Okay, which number I will multiply with the 6? So I will get 12, that is 2. 6 2s are 12. So 6 multiplied by 2, 5 multiplied by 2. So 5 2s are 10 and 6 2s are 12. Okay, now here we got the denominators equal. Now let's add them. 9 by 12 plus 10 by 12. Okay, so 12 we have to write common as it is. Okay, we are not supposed to add the denominator. अगर common denominator है तो हमें add करना नहीं है, वो ऐसे ही लिखना है. अगर different होगा तो भी add करना नहीं है, हमको उनको same करना है और फिर उनके numerator को सिर्फ add करना है. So 9 plus 10 is equal to 29 by 12. So this is the addition of this fraction. Okay, this fraction, and here sorry 9 not 29, 19. Okay, not 29, that is 19. And now here I told you, now this is the improper fraction. How? Because here numerator is greater than the 12. When we get, I told you, just remember what I told you, when you get the answer after doing addition, subtraction, multiplication, if you get the answer in improper fraction form, so what you have to do? You have to convert into a mixed fraction. So here to convert this, what I have to do is I have to do the division of 19 by 12. Okay, so 12 ones are 12 because 12 2s are 24, which is greater than the 19 one, so we can't divide it. So here we got the 7. So our quotient will be our whole number. Okay, what is our denominator? That is 12. We have to keep as it is, and 7 is our numerator because that is the remainder. So 12 ones are 12. 12 plus 7 is 19. So here we got the 19 by 12. So in this way you can take different number. Okay, different number you can take. Different denominator you have to take. Okay, you have to find out their LCM and then you have to do the addition. Okay, if you got the answer in the form of proper fraction, that time there is no need to change them into a mixed fraction. I am just telling you one step ahead because we are in a 7th standard. Everything we have learned in 6th standard, but we have to go in this standard one step ahead. Now let's same thing. When you are doing the subtraction of the unlike fraction, same thing you have to do it, but in the last step you have to do the subtraction, not addition. But here till this step all will be remain same. Okay, now here also subtraction of unlike fraction where denominators are different. As I said before that when different denominators are there, we are not supposed to subtract or add them. Here हम ऐसा नहीं कर सकते कि 7 minus 5 or 8 minus 12. We can't do that. So what we have to do? We have to make the denominator equal. Okay, and how we can make the denominator equal? To find out their LCM. किसका LCM find out करना है? Given denominator of the fraction. So here our denominator are 8 and 12. Okay, now both numbers are divisible by 2. Okay, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. Again both number are divisible by 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Again 2 is the number which is divisible by itself. 2 1s are 2. 3 we can't divide, so we have to keep as it is. 3 1s are 3. एलसीएम कब तक हमें लेना है? जब तक हमारा जो क्वोशंट आता है हमारा 1 नहीं आ जाता, तब तक हमको करना है. सो हियर एलसीएम ऑफ 8 and 12 is equal to, just multiply the left hand side number. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. 2 multiply by 2 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. सो हमारा जो भी डिनोमिनेटर होगा वो क्या होगा? 24. अभी इसको 24 बनाने के लिए फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन वी आर हैविंग 7 by 8. विच नंबर आई विल मल्टीप्लाई विद द 8? सो आई विल गेट 24. दैट इज 8 3s are 24. सो आई हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई द न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाय 3. ओके, 7 3s are 21. Okay, and 8 3s are 24. Okay, second fraction is 5 by 12. Okay, which number I will multiply with the 12? So I will get 24. That is 2. 12 2s are 24 and 5 2s are 10. Now let's do the subtraction. Okay, 21 divided by 24 minus 10 upon 24. Okay, so 21 minus 10 upon 24, here we got 11 by 24. Okay, so we have done the subtraction of this number and we got the answer 11 by 24. Now here this answer we get it in the form of proper fraction. Proper fraction में क्या होता है? न्यूमरेटर लेस देन द डिनोमिनेटर. तो हम इसको चेंज नहीं करेंगे मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में. Here we have learned how to do the addition and subtraction of like and unlike fraction. Unlike fraction है तो कैसे करेंगे? LCM फाइंड आउट करेंगे और फिर उसको ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. लेट्स डू द एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन. नाउ लेट्स सी एडिशन ऑफ मिक्स फ्रैक्शन. ओके, कैसे ऐड करते हैं मिक्स फ्रैक्शन को? सो हियर इफ यू सी द एग्जांपल 3 2 upon 7 plus 2 3 upon 7. Okay, now from here you can see their denominators are equal, means we need not to change their denominators, so we have to keep as it is. Okay, but in mixed fraction when you are doing the addition you can't do the addition of these numbers. So what you have to do? You have to convert them into a improper fraction. ओके, इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करके फिर आपको उसको ऐड करना है. कैसे? लेट्स सी इट. ओके, सो हियर फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन वी आर हैविंग 3 2 upon 7. Okay, so here what we will do? We will convert it into improper fraction. How? We have seen that denominator we have to multiply with the whole number and whatever the product will come we have to add with the numerator and 7 as it is. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 2 23 upon 7. Okay, as simple as that. कुछ difficult नहीं है, बहुत ही आसान है. You have to just pay your attention and understand it. Okay, our next fraction is 2 3 upon 7. Okay, and again 7 multiplied by 2 plus 3. Okay, then 7 as it is. Okay, so 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 3 17. Okay, 7 as it is. कुछ बच्चे ऐसे सोच रहे हैं यार टीचर ने कैसे किया, क्या किया. So that's why I'm saying just listen this session and pay your attention more to understand it how I have done over here. Okay, so मैंने क्या किया है, मैं ऐसा बोल रही हूँ कि एडिशन अगर 2 मिक्स फ्रैक्शन की करते हो तो आप डायरेक्टली ऐड नहीं कर सकते. तो उन दोनों को क्या करना पड़ेगा? तुमको फिर से तुमको कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. पहले कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा किसमें? इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में. ओके, तो यहाँ पे हमने एक स्टेप कर लिया. अब इम्प्रॉपर में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो क्या करना चाहिए? जो भी डिनोमिनेटर है वो होल नंबर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, जो भी प्रोडक्ट आएगा वो न्यूमरेटर के साथ ऐड करेंगे, देन वी विल गेट द इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. द सेम थिंग वी हैव डन. ओके, नाउ हियर वी गॉट द आंसर 23 by 7 plus 17 by 7. Here 7 is common denominator, so 23 plus 17 is equal to to 40 by 17. So here we got the answer. Again, this answer is in a improper fraction. Improper fraction. So here I will just give you just divide. Improper fraction हम mixed fraction में चाहिए. मैंने क्या बोला है, जब भी ऐड करते वक्त अगर आपको improper fraction मिलता है तो आपको क्या करना है, convert into mixed fraction. I told you how to convert the improper fraction into the mixed fraction. Okay, so you have to just, मैं ये नहीं करने वाली, मैं ये स्टेप यहीं पर रख रही हूँ क्योंकि मुझे देखना है कि आप लोग कर पाते हो कि नहीं. तो इसका अगला स्टेप होगा कि आपको इसमें मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में करना पड़ेगा. मिक्स फ्रैक्शन के लिए क्या करना होगा, आपको 40 को 7 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. ओके, और फिर वो आ जाएगा. जस्ट रिवाइज द सेशन अगेन एंड देन form your new, you just form the numbers, you just form the fraction, and whatever the rules method we have seen, just put those number into those methods and the rules, and you will definitely, you have I know that you people are very smart and intelligent, you have understood, but still as a teacher I have the curiosity that student are understanding or not. I just have that little bit what थोड़ी सी मुझे लगता है कि बच्चों को कुछ बच्चों को समझ में नहीं आता, ऐसा मुझे लगता है एज अ टीचर, पर ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा. आई होप आप लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है बहुत अच्छी तरीके से. ओके, नाउ हियर वी हैव सीन दैट बोथ द फ्रैक्शंस डिनोमिनेटर्स आर सेम, बट अगर दोनों का सेम नहीं होगा तो क्या करेंगे. ओके, सपोज इफ आई टेक हियर अनदर एग्जाम्पल, 1 5/6 प्लस 2 4/9. Okay, plus here 3 example I have take 3 fractions I'm going to add, but nothing is difficult, same thing you have to add 1/6. Okay, यहाँ पे तीनों भी क्या है, डिफरेंट डिनोमिनेटर है, डिफरेंट डिनोमिनेटर है. तो क्या करेंगे, पहले हमको क्या करना है, पहले हमको इन लोगों को इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में पहले कर लेना है. ओके, और फिर जाके उनका हमें डिनोमिनेटर सेम करना है. कैसे, वहाँ पे हमें एलसीएम फाइंड करना है. तो इसमें हम ये मेथड भी यूज करेंगे, एलसीएम वाली भी मेथड यूज करेंगे. ओके, लेट्स सी. सो फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन इज, हमको क्या करना है, इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में करना है. तो मैं क्या करूँगी, 6 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 प्लस 5 डिवाइडेड बाय 6. ओके, 9 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 प्लस 4 डिवाइडेड बाय 9. 6 multiplied by 3 plus 1 divided by 6. Okay, 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 5 11 by 6 plus 9 by 2 18, 18 plus 4 22 by 9 plus 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 1 19 by 6. So here we got all the fraction in in the improper fraction. अब हम उनको क्या करेंगे, उनका डिनोमिनेटर सेम करेंगे. सेम कैसे करेंगे, हम उनका एलसीएम निकालेंगे. ओके, so I'll rub this side. Okay, I hope you are writing all these things while you are attending the session. Okay, side by side. So here we are having first denominator 6, then 9, and again we are having here we are having 12. Sorry, extremely sorry. Here we are having 12. Okay, 12. So first fraction, first denominator we are having 12, 6 and 9. Okay, so I'll find out their LCM. Okay, so both these two numbers are divisible by 3, 2. Okay, so whichever number it is suitable to you, you can take it. Okay, so first I will start with the 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. We can't divide the 9 with the 2, so we have to keep 9 as it is. Okay, after that again 2 3s are 6. Okay, after that I can't divide 3 and 9, so I'll keep them as it is. Okay, so again here 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Okay, again 3 is there, so again we have to find out the LCM till we get the 1. Okay, so 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So here we can write here LCM of 12, 6 and 9 is equal to, just multiply all these number, 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So हमारा जो भी डिनोमिनेटर होगा वो क्या होगा, 36 होगा. ओके, सो आवर फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन इज 11 by 12. ओके, मैं किस नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करूंगी 12 से, जो मुझे 36 मिलेगा, दैट इज 3. 12 3s are 36, 11 3s are, so 11 3s are 33, 12 3s are 36. Okay, so second fraction is 22 by 9 is equal to 9 4s are 36. Okay, so I'll multiply with the 4. 22 fours are, here we'll get the answer, that is 20. 4 twos are 8, 4 twos are 8 and 36. Okay, now third fraction is 19 by 6. Okay, so 19 by 6, again which number I will multiply with the 6 I'll get, that is 6 only. So here 6 multiply by 6 and 19 multiply by 6 is equal to, so here I will write 19 6 are 104. So students, make sure you should know the table of all the numbers when you are doing the addition, when you are doing the multiplication and division. It is very, very important. Okay, so our next number is 6 6 are 36. So here we got all the number. I'll rub this side, okay, where we have made all the denominators equal. 13 by 36 plus 88 by 36 plus 104 by 36. Okay, now 33 plus 88 plus 104 and then divide with the 36. Okay, so here I'll do the addition here vertically, 88 and 1 4. Okay, so here 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 4 15, 1 11, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 2 13 and 1. So here we got the answer 235 and here 36 as it is. Okay, so here again we got the improper fraction. इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन मिला तो हमें क्या करना है, उसको मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डू दिस, सो जस्ट डू व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, मल्टीप्लाई द 235 विद द 36. सो दिस थिंग वी हैव टू रिमेंबर व्हेन वी आर डूइंग द addition of mixed fraction. When we are doing, let's see the subtraction of the mixed fraction. Same thing you have to follow. There is nothing different, just symbols are different. Addition, subtraction, same methods are there. I hope you are understanding. Okay, so here I'm not going to subtract the mixed fraction where denominators are same. You know how to do it. Okay, so here I have taken the examples where denominators are different. Again we have to find out the LCM of 3 and 6. Okay, not 3 and 6, sorry. Before that, what we have to do, we have to convert them into an improper fraction. So 10 multiplied by 3 plus 2 divided by 3 minus 6 multiplied by 5 plus 1 divided by 6. So here we get 10 3s are 33. 33 plus 2, 35. Okay, 35 divided by 32. Sorry, not 35. 32 divided by 30 minus, sorry, once again, I'm just not understanding what I'm trying to say. Okay, 10 multiplied by 3 is 30 plus 2, 32 divided by 3. Okay, and then 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 1 is equal to 31 divided by 6. So here we converted into mixed fraction. Now we have to find out the LCM of 3 and 6. It means we have to divide 3 and 6. Okay, so here I will divide with the 3 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Okay, now 2 is the number which we can multiply. Okay, with the 2 only. So 2 1s are 2. So here we got 3 into 2 is equal to 6. ओके, सो हमें यहाँ पे क्या करना है, हमारा डिनोमिनेटर क्या है, 6 आना चाहिए. अब यहाँ पे हमने एक देखा, एक फ्रैक्शन में ऑलरेडी 6 डिनोमिनेटर है, तो उसको चेंज करने की ज़रूरत नहीं. हम सिर्फ उसको जैसा है वैसा ही रखेंगे. सिर्फ हम किसका चेंज करेंगे, जिसका डिनोमिनेटर 6 नहीं है. तो यहाँ पे हम ये डिनोमिनेटर लेंगे 32, फ्रैक्शन लेंगे 32 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 को किसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करूँगी तो 6 आएगा, दैट इज 2 ओनली. So 32 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 32 2s are 64 multiplied by 6. So here we got the 64 multiplied by 6. Second fraction हमको लेना है 33 6. Okay, so 31 divided by 6. So 64 minus 31 डिवाइडेड बाय 6. ओके, तो कुछ बच्चे आप क्या सोचेंगे, यार टीचर ने ये क्यों नहीं किया, ये वाला क्यों फ्रैक्शन नहीं किया, क्योंकि उसका ऑलरेडी डिनोमिनेटर क्या है 6 है. अगर सेम होगा तो कोई चेंज करने की जरूरत नहीं है, उसको ऐसे ही रखना है. फिर हम जब पहले का करेंगे, अब यहाँ पे पहले वाला फ्रैक्शन का था इसलिए मैंने पहले वाला उसका जो आंसर पहले लिया है. मैं ऐसे नहीं कर सकती यार दूसरे वाला का पहला था तो मैं पहले लिख दूँ और बाद का जो, हम सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि उसका आंसर देखो डिफरेंस कितना आता है. Okay, so here 64, 31 minus 64 is equal to 33 divided by 6. Okay, divided by 6. Again here we got the answer in improper fraction. Improper fraction. Okay, so here one thing you can do, you can convert it into mixed fraction, but here you can see both number are divisible by which number, that is 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are. So here we got the answer 11 by 2, which is also again mixed fraction. Okay, now convert this mixed fraction into a this is the improper fraction. Convert it into a mixed fraction. So how? Just multiply, divide the 11 by 2. 2 twos are 2 fives are 10. Okay, so here we got the answer 1. So how will we convert this improper fraction? So whatever the quotient will come, that will be our whole number. Okay, डिनोमिनेटर क्या है वो वैसे ही रखना है, हमारा रिमाइंडर क्या है 1, वो हमारा हो जाएगा न्यूमरेटर. Okay, so here 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 11. So here we have done the subtraction of these two mixed fraction. So here today in this session, I know this was the very long session, some student they will see, they will feel that अरे टीचर ने इतना सारा क्यों लिया, क्यों किया, मुझे तो कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा. We have done the only revision, nothing we have learned which is we have learned newly. Already you have learned everything in your previous standard. Okay, so all the things which we have learned, on the basis of this we are going to solve the next exercise, that is 2.1. okay, and which is very easy to solve when you remember, when you understand all these things. And one more important thing, in the next session, those today who did not keep their books and notebook with them, in the next session you have to keep your textbook with you, you have to keep everything which we need when we learn the mathematics subject. Okay, I'm not saying that keep the compass box where geometrical instrument, no, for the fraction means pen, pencil, whatever you need, you just pay your attention when you are attending the session. It is very very important, I'm just telling you again and again. Okay, so I just hope you have understood everything. Okay, in the next session we will solve the exercise 2.1.